So management as a science has a systematized body of knowledge, principles based on experimentation that we all have learned. Now the third point is universal validity. That means whatever has been proved well have to be accepted by the whole universe. So same thing happens with the management, that management has a proper systematic body of knowledge. Okay, so just a minute. Management has a proper systematic, sorry, management has a proper systematic knowledge, and moreover it has the principles, theories that has been developed over period of time, and that has been proved good, that can be applied for the business with a proper sociology, psychology, economics, and mathematical calculations. Then comes your point number 2, the principles of management. They have been evolved, they have evolved over a period of time with a proper experimentation. Okay, no principal thinker, no management thinkers or the management gurus have just evolved the ideas of the management. They had some experimentation over the business, and then they came into the conclusions with some of the principles. Okay, and hence this type of principles um, has been applied to the business, and the managers, they go through the principles and they can apply it for their problem solving purpose. Now point number 3 comes, since the principles of management is not that exact science, because see, as for the changing environment, business goes on continuously or the constantly changing. So but in the science, what happens, they just 2 plus 2 is 4, it means 4. So whatever they have propounded, it should be applicable to each and every situations, whatever the case, however the case. But in business, there is always not the formula lies that 2 plus 2 is 4. This may be 2 plus 2 is 4, and buy 4 get 1 free, so 2 plus 2 is 5, isn't it? So everything in the business, you cannot say that it is a proper science or it is a proper art. Okay, so there are some changes, and as per the changes, the managers have to change the whole system. The manager have to just manipulate the situation so that they can just edit it properly. Okay, such as 2 or more theories can be attached together to solve one problem. Okay, so this is what known as the management is not exact science. Okay, because their every application may not be universally accepted. So management, as far as I feel, and as per some of the management thinkers feel, that management is not a proper art, not a proper science. It is just a part of social science. So we can say that management is a social science because it is dealing with the, it is being established in the society, it is dealing with the society, it is dealing with the various societal problem. So they are known as the management is a social science. So let us sum it up till here. Okay, thank you.